Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about basic methods in WebDriver interface. Here is the one like a get method. This method is basically to load a new web page in the current browser window. Manager to get the option of interface. We can able to use maximization and minimization of the windows and wait techniques also. That moment also we can able to use manager. Get current URL is basically to get a string representing the current URL that our browser is looking at, which is the browser we opened it. That your browser current URL we need to get it, and that getting the information we can able to store like a string format. Get title. This is basically to get the which is the browser you open the current page, right? That page title, which is a title is presented, that particular web page, that we can able to get it. Gets page source. Page source, this is like developer is developing the web page while they are using HTML tag, hyperlinks, buttons, labels, and all, right. This all the information we are going to get that particular current browser source page. Like we can able to see here, right click on here, and we can able to see here view page source. In this page to source we can able to see all that like HTML headers, titles, and body. This all the things, right? These all the things we can able to get it using get page source. Navigator is like a abstraction allowing the driver to access the browser's history and to navigate to given URL. We can able to say we are using the get method to open one browser, and we need to navigate one URL to another URL. That moment we can able to use navigator, that it will take, and we can able to which is the URL second URL passing, that it will navigate to that particular position. Quit is basically to what all the browsers open, like multiple browsers we are opening, right? That time we can able to use quit method to close all the browsers. Close is basically to close a particular browser only, means current browser which is the browser is open first one, that browser we are going to close using close method. We'll see one by one now. See here, driver dot get get is basically the string format of URL. It will load the web page current browser window. Then we can able to pass URL. Then we need to maximize the window. Then we can able to use driver dot manager dot window dot maximization and minimization of the window. And we need to get current URL. Driver dot get current URL. This is a string format of method. It will return string format. We need to print for which is the URL coming, right? That URL we need to print into console. For that we can able to use here. Then we can able to close here. And then second one is title. Driver dot get title. Title also is a string format. It will return a string value. Then I am going to mention here current URL. Then here getting title. Then we need to get source system dot out and driver dot get source get source. This is the method. It will get that source, entire source. We will get it. And next is navigator. Driver dot navigate dot to dot. We can able to specify which URL we need to render into the current URL. We can able to say google.com. Then we can able to navigate here. And next is quit. Quit is basically to open like a multiple, right? Then I will show you that quit how we can able to use, when we can able to use on later videos. Now close we can, I will show you driver dot close. Now I'm going to run this page and we can able to see all the information one by one. Now it is loading the page. Now Chrome browser is started. Then URL is open and maximization going to window. Then navigator. See, almost all the things are displayed. Now one by one we'll see. See here current and title and page source. We printed three different values. Correct. One is current URL, title and page source. These three and navigator also we saw. Correct. And browser also closed. And quit I will show you in the later video. And up to this is the basic methods for WebDriver interface. That's all about this video. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel.